A BMP is to apply irrigation based on plant need, and the amount of water to apply to satisfy plant need depends on plant and environmental conditions. So consider the following when determining the amount of irrigation to apply. Weather, particularly solar radiation and temperature, directly affects daily and seasonal changes in plant water use. Plants use more water under sunny, low humidity conditions than cloudy, high humidity conditions. Plants use less water during winter months when days are shorter and temperatures lower. Weather information from the Florida Automated Weather Network and on-site weather station or other sources can be used to guide adjustments in irrigation amounts to apply. Plant size impacts water use because the amount of water evaporated is proportional to the amount of leaf surface area. Small plants having less leaf surface area use less water than larger plants of the same species grown under identical production and environmental conditions. Plant spacing impacts water use by affecting the amount of light intercepted by the plant canopy. Container plants with open spaces around the canopies intercept more light and use more water than the same plants without the open spaces. So the irrigation time can be minimized by growing plants with canopies touching each other. Expect irrigation time to increase when placing plants in wider spacing arrangements. Another consideration specific for overhead sprinkler irrigation is the ability of the plant's canopy to capture irrigation water. Some plant canopies increase the capture of irrigation water by capturing water that would otherwise fall between containers, while others may decrease irrigation water capture, directing water away from the container. So when using BMPs and applying irrigation based on plant need, remember the amount of water to apply is influenced by several factors. These factors include weather, plant size, plant spacing, and for overhead sprinkler irrigated plants, the ability of the plant's canopy to affect irrigation capture. Also consider the amount of irrigation applied should replace the substrate water used by the plant. The amount of substrate available water is affected by the water holding characteristics of the substrate and the container size or substrate volume. If this amount is inadequate, multiple irrigations per day may be needed to replenish the substrate water.